Welcome to EHS Online Courses. Today's our video is on Section 01 of Safety Data Sheet, Company Information and Product Identification. The globally harmonized system of classification and labeling of chemicals contains a standard specification for safety data sheets. The SDS follows a 16-section format which is internationally agreed, and for substances especially, the SDS should be followed with an annex which contains the exposure scenarios of this particular substance. Section 1, Company Information and Product Identification. 1.1 Product Identifier. 1.2 Relevant identified uses of the substance or mixture and uses advised against. 1.3 Details of the supplier of the safety data sheet. 1.4 Emergency telephone number. This section identifies the chemical on the SDS as well as the recommended uses. It also provides the essential contact information of the supplier. The required information consists of product identifier used on the label and any other common names or synonyms by which the substance is known. Name, address, phone number of the manufacturer, importer, or other responsible party, and emergency phone number. Recommended use of the chemical, e.g., a brief description of what it actually does, such as flame retardant, and any restrictions on use, including recommendations given by the supplier. Important terminology related to Section 1 of SDS. Trade name, commercial name of the product. Synonym, indicates alternate name of a material. Example, ethanol, ethyl alcohol, and absolute alcohol for ethyl alkyl. Formula, chemical, it is a symbolic representation of a chemical entity or relationship between elements, molecule and atoms. Example, H, 1 molecule of hydrogen, 2 HSO2 molecules of sulfuric acid. Thus by formula we can know the hazardous ingredient of a chemical. Chemical classification. General classification is organic or inorganic. Hazard-wise classification can be flammable, explosive, toxic or poisonous, corrosive, reactive, infectious, oxidizing, radioactive, etc. Chemical family. The chemical family describes the general nature of the chemical. Chemicals belonging to the same family often share certain physical and chemical properties and toxic effects. However, there may also be important differences. For example, toluene and benzene both belong to the aromatic hydrocarbon family. However, benzene is a carcinogen, but toluene is not. CASNO. It is Chemical Abstract Service Number to provide a single unique identifier with naming the chemical. Example. CASNO. For acetic acid is 64197. It does not indicate the hazards of a material. We will understand Section 1 with one example. 1 is the product name, which is ethyl alcohol 200 proof. 2 is the synonym, which is ethyl alcohol, ethanol and absolute ethanol. 3 is the chemical name as ethyl alcohol and chemical family as alcohol. 4 is the chemical formula, which is CH3CH2O5 is the CASNO, which is 6417. 6 is the contact information of company. We will come with more EHS videos. Till then, thank you.